Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I know it's been forever since I have made a new video, but I have some new stuff for you guys. I'm going to be recommending some new amazing websites that you can make money from, make extra income from. I know with the whole pandemic going on, a lot of people are really in need of trying to find different ways to make money. So here's a little website that I have found. I just want to recommend different websites to you. So here's one. This is called Survey Junkie. All you gotta do is sign up. This is what it looks like when you just, go on the website and sign up. This video is sponsored by Take Surveys for Cash. So basically, are you tired of taking surveys that are only like $1, $2, $3, $5? Well, this is a really great website where you can sign up and they give you access to literally higher paid surveys that are like $100, $200, $500. It really just goes on and on. They can send surveys to your email, or they can give you like a database of surveys to choose from. Even showing there, they had surveys for like $200 and whatnot. They can send it to your PayPal, and a lot of people have been making money independently doing this. It is a really great way to make some extra money online, or to even have a, part-time or full-time income. So if you are interested in this, please don't hesitate to go and check out the description. Click on the description. It will take you right there. You know, don't stop wasting your time on surveys that are low paying, surveys that are a waste of time. This is a little program. Yes, it costs money. It's $40. However, you spend $40, you take a survey that is higher paid, like $100 or $200 eventually, then you've made your money right back. So it's literally an investment of $40, and lots of people have come to me with their success stories about how this has helped them. So I hope that you guys can find some help with this. Once again, the link is in the description, and thank you for watching. Let's get back to the video. So when you're signed up to this website, it looks like this. You can, of course, a lot of times you can fill out your profile and you can get some extra points. You can get points from verifying your email, and it really just unlocks the rest of these opportunities to make more points. It's a point system, so it goes off of points, and once you get a certain amount of points, you can cash that in for money. So as you can see, you literally get points for just anything, signing up, for filling out your profile and things like that. Once you get to about 500 points, that's where you can start to cash it in and this and that. This website seems very basic. There isn't just a ton of random things to confuse you, or things like, it's pretty straightforward, and it's pretty easy to navigate through. So I'm just trying to kind of navigate through the whole website so you can kind of just get an idea. The link will be in the description, or you can just visit it yourself. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I was trying to go to see what the rewards look like, but I guess you can't unlock that now. But check it out. I'm back, guys. Expect new videos coming. I know I've been gone for a long time, but this channel is not dead. So thank you guys for being there with me, and yeah. I don't really know what else to say. So I will see you guys in my next video.